Hi all, today I am sharing how you can clean your mixer jar. As you can see, the backside of the mixer jar had become very dirty. I cleaned it very effortlessly, very easily, so I am sharing you my tip. So for this I am going to invert the mixer jar and backside I am going to add baking soda. Here I am adding 1.5 tablespoon of baking soda. And on top of the baking soda, I'll be adding vinegar. As soon as you add vinegar, it is going to fizz up, which is normal. Now I'm going to let it sit for the whole night. When you let baking soda and vinegar sit on this dirt for the whole night, it will do the job and it will be very easy for you to remove the dirt very easily without a lot of scrubbing. So now it's the next morning. Let's start scrubbing. As I told you earlier, if you let baking soda and vinegar sit for the whole night, it will be very easy for you to scrub. You don't have to do tremendous and vigorous scrubbing here. Just gentle scrubbing would be enough and the dirt will be coming off so easily. Also, I thought it would be good to use a toothpick and scrub on parts where it is difficult to scrub using a toothbrush so that all of the dirt is nicely removed. After scrubbing with a toothbrush and a toothpick, I am going to take a sponge pad and add some dishwashing liquid and scrub the whole jar. Scrub it nicely, especially on the back side of the jar. And also I thought of using toothpick and clean all the parts where dirt had accumulated. You can also use a wooden skewer. Clean all the parts where dirt was accumulated. Now for a healthy kitchen, it's very important to clean the backside of the mixer jar because a lot of fungus is accumulated in these places. So after scrubbing this nicely, I'm going to give it a good wash. It took a couple of minutes for me, but I'm happy that I dedicated this time and effort. Now as you can see, it is so satisfactory. The jars are looking like brand new. I'm happy that I dedicated this time and effort. If you like this video, do give this video a thumbs up. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, please put your feedbacks in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.